Hi, this is a quick screencast. I just want to ask the question. I have a website that I'm migrating from another host over to SiteGround, and this is the DNS zone for this particular website. I've got a lot of them to do. Now I've successfully transferred another website which was using a third-party email provider, and that all worked well by transferring the MX records and some text records. This website looks more generic. So the MX record, the destination is familyboats.com.au, and mail filtering hostservice.net.au. Default domain key. So those records there for the last one ensured that the email transitioned over seamlessly. The question is, do I populate SiteGround, pre-populate SiteGround with this MX record, this SPF1 record, and this default domain key, or because this is kind of generic, do I not need to and it will happen automatically? Yeah, so that's my question. Over to you. Thanks guys, cheers.